let's check out the coolest, extremely cheap sports watch. So this is what it looks like, and I have the negative display version. Also on this watch we can actually get backlight as well, and we can actually change the colors on the backlight as well. And the overall design of this watch actually looks really cool. Also, I really like the size of this watch as well. Yeah, the size is definitely actually really good on this watch. And this is what the watch actually looks like on my wrist. The negative display definitely looks really cool on this watch. And overall design actually looks really nice. Also, I really like the size of this watch. So it's not overly bulky, but still we actually get very decent size on it. And this is what the strap on it actually looks like. I still have some stickers I haven't removed, so we actually have some nice design elements, and also we even get a metal buckle as well, which is kind of cool. So overall, yep, it actually looks really nice. So if you maybe want to change the backlight color, basically all you have to do is press and hold this up button, then basically cycle to the color you want. For example, so select the color you want. Also it has this disco mode as well, which I will show you. Okay, so cycle to this, release, and you will have the disco mode enabled as well. So next time you press to turn on the backlight, you will have the disco mode. Also on this watch we can also get alarms and also stopwatch. So if you press this once, you can go to your stopwatch function, and you can start it basically with this. As you can see, the stopwatch actually starts and we can see our time. Also we can pause the stopwatch and also resume it. Also we can do a split lap as well. So if I press this and wait some time, as you see, basically it was running in the background. Also one more cool thing, this stopwatch is actually able to run in the background as well, so we can do anything else on this watch and keep it running in the background, and when we go back to the stopwatch, basically as you see it's still running, which is absolutely cool. And if you want to set alarm, simply click twice, and here basically we can press this button to go, for example, minutes, and press this upper button to adjust the minutes, and this again to cycle maybe to hours, and again cycle to whatever hour you need. Also on the top over here you see you have this AM and PM. My camera basically has some problems picking up the screen as it's a negative display. So if you want to go back, once set, basically press this mode button. Then also if you want to check quickly your alarm time, you can press this, as you see, press and hold it, and it will show you basically when that alarm will sound. Also if you want to enable or disable the alarm, again press and hold this, and at the same time press the upper button, and basically we can enable or disable the alarm this way basically, which is kind of cool. Also we can get hourly chime as well on this watch, which is again absolutely cool. The build quality, I would say for the very cheap price this costs, so again this only costs like a bit over $2, so I'll actually leave a link where I got mine basically, so on AliExpress and Temu. So I'll leave a link basically to the best listings on this watch. So as you see, it's like a ridiculous price basically, so it's the same price on AliExpress as well. So for the price I really can't complain. So it's totally loaded with functions. The negative display outdoors is actually like decent, so you can see time easily. Maybe in dark conditions indoors negative display isn't the best, but that's what you can expect if you get a negative display watch. It actually looks really cool, but indoors in very poor light you will have troubles basically seeing the time and basically all other stuff. But again, you have the backlight as well. You can set the backlight on any color, and as you see basically once I turn on the backlight, even in dim conditions, so I'm filming it indoors, it's basically under some light, so I do not have good light there, so you can still see everything very well even with this negative display. So yeah, it actually looks really cool. Also this brand has like different watches as well. You see very similar design, but for example they have this positive display as well. So indoors I think the positive display is better. Basically outdoors maybe they're the same really. So personally I actually like the regular displays. Basically you can see it doesn't look as good, so the design isn't as good, but visibility is definitely better on the regular positive display, so that's what you can consider. Also I'll leave a link where I got this. So both of these watches are exactly the same price, so really just different design, and they have exactly the same function, just maybe different layout and different like style. So overall, yep, yeah, this watch is actually kind of cool. Anyway, good luck guys.